Hi guys, today I just wanted to make this video to show you how to navigate through my website a little easier. I hope that this website can answer more questions that you have and hopefully just make it a little bit easier to get in touch with me and see how my classroom works and all that good stuff. So here we have just the welcome screen. Down here at the bottom, my blog is hyperlinked, so we can click on that. And this blog just tells you a little bit about my classroom and some things that I incorporate into my classroom. So you can scroll through here and read my blog posts. We also have down here my contact information. I have my email so that you guys can get in touch with me a little bit easier. Next is my biography page, and this just talks about me, how I got involved in this career and the things that I've done that led up to that. This just talks about what I like to do for fun and what I like to do when I'm not working. And so anything you want to know about me, just refer to this bio page. Next, we have my resources page. I wanted to add this so you guys can see where I get some of the information that I use for lessons and also how I create my lesson plans. This doesn't have all of it, obviously, but these are the ones that I use most frequently, and they have a lot of good information for parents too. My favorites page is similar to my resources page, however these are just more fun activities. There's more blogs linked. These are also great for kids to use while they're stuck at home. There's games, there's videos, there's tutorials, there's all kinds of stuff. And on my favorites and my resources page, they're all hyperlinked, so you can just click on them and it'll take you straight to the website from here. Next we have some tech projects I've made. First is my digital story. This is something I made just to explain a little bit about how presidential elections work. It doesn't cover everything, but it gives a very basic understanding of how presidential elections work, because I think that's something important that kids need to know. You can click on this, it'll take you straight to YouTube and you can watch the video from there. Next we have my personal learning network. I've defined what a personal learning environment is and also a personal learning network is, and there's hyperlinks at the bottom to take you to see where I got some of this information. This chart just talks about blogs, curation tools, and microblogs and how they're used in classrooms, what they're used for. I've also linked some examples of all of them. And then on the right column under reflections, these are just my personal reviews and critiques over these tools that we use. Another tech project is my mobile app presentation. I made my mobile app presentation over Canva because I think it's a really fun and easy resource for kids and also parents to use. This is just a little intro on how to use it, very brief, and at the end there's a more in-depth tutorial on how to use Canva. You can click on this and it'll take you straight to the Google Slides and you can get all the information from there. Next we have my evaluations. I've just added that I am Apple Teacher certified. I just think it's important that teachers nowadays have more of a knowledge of technology and how it's being incorporated into classrooms. So I took this course just to deepen my knowledge a little more and make the technology process a little smoother for when I'm teaching it. So yeah, that's my website, and please let me know if you have any more questions, and I hope this was helpful. Thank you.